There's a lot of people that come together around these deals to make it happen. It's not just us, the salesperson. This is a great place to bring your people around. So everyone at a quick glance can see where we're at, what's missing. We're going into a meeting. What critical pieces of information do we not yet have that we need to uncover, or that we're really weak in, and we can strategize around and strengthen.
You have to have a way that you teach every salesperson to approach their own individual opportunities. And then collectively, what you have is a cohesive team that is operating under the same set of guidelines and using the same set of principles across every opportunity that you have within your sales pipeline.
It's been a fantastic tool for us to create that standardized terminology, and also give the entire team, not just the sales team, but also how the sales engineers interact with the AEs, how the BDR team interact with the sales team and marketing teams, creating champions, getting access to economic buyers. So using that kind of MEDDIC sales methodology within iSEEit, which is integrated into our Salesforce platform, and it really gives the entire organization, no matter where they're sat geographically, a standardized approach to how we think about our business today.
To hand over a customer successfully, those MEDDIC elements give my customer success manager, my implementation team, all the information and the criteria for a successful handover. They know all of the elements that I've spent the last 6 to 18 months trying to uncover.
Really simply, Rizan, it's when we can pull up a dashboard or an opportunity report that has just a red, yellow, green kind of scorecard next to each one. And then you look at close date as a first line manager, second line manager, or country manager, you know quickly where to dedicate some time.
For me as a manager, or for the managers who work for me, iSEEit allows you to bring those things together and see a combination view, therefore act on a combination of data that is about both the aggregate and overall effect that is occurring in your pipeline and the individual points of success, failure, need for more, requirement for less that contribute to that underlying pattern.
This really helps us, kind of do a sanity check on these deals. Okay, this is sitting in legal. And for us, that's going to be a probability of 90, and that would have it in commit forecast category. What's the iSEEit score? Let's do our reality check, our sanity check. If the iSEEit score is less than 70, no, we're not going to have that in commit. We need to bump that back to best case, or just back to pipeline in general. We need to be able to, call what we're calling with confidence, and this gives not just the rep, but the sales leader, the ability to call stuff with confidence.
What we've seen in organizations that have really embraced this idea and have done this well, they have seen forecast accuracy around more than 90%, with maybe only a 5 to 7% variance between the early call and what winds up being the actual number that is delivered at the end of the quarter.